Go.
There we go. Okay, cut. Once we have the throw line and throw bag over a nice solid branch, we just hook our climbing line to it. Now this is a very special line, Jeremiah. Show the whole line there, and show it on the ground there. It's 150 feet long, and it's got a splice die in the end of it. And we'll use this carabiner just to hook it right up there, so we can pull it right up into the tree over the branch that we want to go. Now we have our line set in the tree. It's a nice strong branch. Put all my weight on there easily, and I'm ready to climb. Cut. Okay, so in order to climb the tree, I use a tree climbing saddle. This one's made in France. It's very lightweight. It's easy to get on and off. It has 3 clips here, one around the waist and one around each leg. And I'll attach this to the rope through a system called a carabiner, and this is called the Friction Hitch, so that when I'm in the tree, I can hook both ends of my rope here. It's up over the branch, and that knot will hold me. And if I want to come down, I just hit the knot like this and come down. If I want to go back up, well, let's say I was out on a branch and I want to go back up, I just pull the knot like that, one-handed, and it comes right back up through there, and then I'm ready to go and climb again. But before I do this, I want to go up the tree using a technique called footlocking. It's a way of ascending in a tree, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. Okay, so in order to do footlock, I use a technique, I use equipment called ascenders. These are often used by rock climbers and cavers, and they have a camming device that hooks onto the rope right there. I'll show you like that. So it can come this way, but it won't go that way. So I put 2 of them on this side in order to just be doubly safe, and then one on this side. I'll use the other side of the rope. I'll put it through here like that, clip that into place, and then I'll put the carabiner of my friction hitch through the handle, so this side's doubled up too. And then this is a tether that's 7,000 pounds. It gets clipped to the bridge of my saddle with a carabiner, which is also rated for life support. And then we'll just take the slack out of it. And I'm going to use this to go up the tree. Once I get up in the tree, I'll switch over to the regular friction hitch where I can come down or up. This I can just go up, so I have to, once I start, I got to go all the way up and get tied in the top of the tree. And I just grab the rope with my feet, between my feet, and lock down like that. That gives a very strong grip. Now I don't need my hands at all. I can just stand up and then push the ascenders up and get another bite. Pull the knees in, stand up, and push the ascenders up. So I can just keep going like this. I can take a break and rest if I like. And it's very good because I use the strength of my leg muscles to do the lifting, which saves my upper body and allows me to go a long way without getting tired out.
Go.
All right. And that's how we get down, using the friction hitch. That's how we climb trees. When we get up there, we'll often use our handsaw to do the cutting, or we'll ask for a chainsaw and cut the trees with the chainsaw. I hope you've enjoyed the presentation. Thank you, Jeremiah, for doing a great job on the camera. And thank you, Laurie, for doing the editing.